students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as I told you yesterday, I am going to take the revision of the chapter factors and multiples. This revision test will be taken through Google Forms and it is compulsory to give the test to every student. So I will be checking that whosoever has not given the test, I am not going to give you the subject enrichment marks. So it's mandatory to give the test. I am informing you 3 days ago. 3 days ago I am informing you. Prior information is given to you. So no excuses will be accepted, students. So start preparing. So I am going to help you in your today's preparation. So how I am going to help you? I will be asking you questions, explaining you about my questions also. You all have to reply to me in the comment sections. So let's talk about prime numbers and composite numbers. So students, you all know what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. So your answers are welcome in the comment section. Kindly open the comment section, start commenting about your answers. What are prime numbers? Start commenting, students. Your time starts now. Just pause the video and start commenting. Okay students, now I will be explaining you about the prime numbers. The prime numbers are the numbers having just two factors. Only two factors will be there, either one or not either, only one and the number itself. Only two factors are there of prime numbers, only one and the number itself. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number having only one and the number itself as its factors. Now let's give you all some examples about prime numbers. If you all know the examples of prime numbers, you can comment down in the comment section. So my first question is, name the smallest even prime number. Smallest even prime number. You all are completely aware about this. You can comment down about your answers in the comment section, students. As you all can see that I reply to each and every single comment. So let's see how many of you are replying to me in the comment section. Smallest even prime number is 2. Now talking about the smallest odd prime number. Kindly comment down in the comment section your answers. Smallest odd prime number. Very good, students. If you want, you can pause the video and comment the answers in the comment section. The smallest odd prime number is 3. So I hope you must have understood what are prime numbers. Give me some more examples of prime numbers. If you know, you can give me the examples in the comment section. So now one more question from all of you. That is very important question. Tell me about 1. Which type of number is 1? Is 1 a prime number? Yes or no? Very good, students. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. ना ही ये prime है, ना ही ये composite है. Why 1 is not prime nor composite? Because 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. So it does not falls in the category of prime numbers. It does not falls in the category of composite numbers. So what is the status of 1? 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay students, you should strictly remember these things which I am telling you in the video. Now let's move on to composite numbers. What are composite numbers? So students, composite numbers are the numbers having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors will be there. That means one factor can be 1 and one factor is the number itself. But apart from these 2 factors, there will be more factors. Okay? More than 2 factors should be there. Only then that number is said to be a composite number. Now students, please tell me which is the smallest composite number. My question from all of you is smallest composite number and Smallest even composite number. Kindly comment down in the comment section. Next question, smallest odd composite number. So let's see how many of you are answering in the comment section. I have given you 3 questions. Smallest composite number, smallest even composite number and smallest odd composite number. Very good. The smallest composite number is 4. Which is the smallest composite number? It is 4. Now talking about the smallest even composite number, that is also 4. Now students, tell me smallest odd composite number. Whosoever know the answer, they can comment down in the comment section. Smallest odd composite number. The smallest odd composite number is 9. Okay students, the smallest odd composite number is 9. You should remember these factors. If you want, you can note down this information in your maths classwork copy. Okay students, that will help you to prepare during exams. So now you all are very clear about the fact that what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. Now comment down some examples of composite numbers in the comment sections. Okay students. So now the topic prime and composite numbers is over. Okay. Now students, tell me about factors and multiples. What are factors and what are multiples? So firstly discuss about factors. What are factors? If you know the answer, comment down in the comment section. Factors, the factors, a number x is said to be a factor of another number y if it is exactly divisible by it. Now exactly divisible, what does it mean? Exactly divisible का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे आपका the remainder should be 0. For example, I am saying 10 is exactly divisible by 5. Why I am saying this? Because when we are dividing 10 by 5, 5 2s are 10 and we are getting remainder what? The remainder is 0. So exactly divisible means the remainder should come 0 whenever you are dividing the numbers. So number x is said to be a factor of another number y if it is exactly divisible by 8. So we can say that 5 is a factor of 10. That means whenever we are dividing 10 by 5, it is exactly divisible. Okay students. Now if I ask you to write the factors of the number 4, that means 4 is divisible by which numbers? So the factors of 4, every number, 1 is a factor of every number. This is also an important point. 1 is a factor of every number. So if you want, you can note down this also in your maths classwork copy. So now talking about 4, what are the factors of 4? If you know the answer, comment down in the comment section. 1, 2 and 4. So in total 4 is having how many factors? 3 factors which are more than 2. So 4 is which type of number? 4 is a composite number. So now about factors, it's very clear. If I ask you to write the factors of 6. So the factors of 6 are, the first factor is 1, second is 2, then 3 and then 6. Because 6 is exactly divisible by 2, 6 is exactly divisible by 3, 6 is exactly divisible by 6 also, and 6 is exactly divisible by 1. So now you must have understood about the concept of factors. Talking about multiples. Okay students. So what are multiples? Multiples, a number A is said to be a multiple of number B if B exactly divides A and there are infinite number of multiples of a number. Now what does multiple means? Multiple means if I ask you to write the multiple of 2, then the numbers which are divisible by 2 comes in the category of multiples of 2. यानी कि 2 के टेबल में जो जो नंबर आते हैं 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now the table of 2 you have studied till 10 only, but that does not mean that multiples of 2 यहाँ 20 तक आके ही रुक जाते हैं, and so on, because 22 is also divisible by 2, so 22, then 24, then 26, 28, then 30, and so on. In the same way these multiples are going to continue. Okay, so students, this was all about factors and multiples. So if there is any problem and any query in the topic prime and composite numbers and factors and multiples, you can comment down in the comment section. In the next video I will be explaining you about twin primes, co-primes and co-prime factors. So I hope you must have understood. This was for your revision test. This was like a preparation of your revision test. Okay, so bye bye, take care, have a nice day. If you have understood, kindly like the video, subscribe the channel.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.